Hi, Professor Trumbo. I thought it would be easier just to shoot over a quick video to show you exactly where you'll access the test bank and some other information. So I've actually gone ahead and added the 13th edition of Lucas into your Connect account. And you'll click here. This is the title of your Connect course. You can edit this to SPC 205, section 002, and we can get to that later. But for right now, you'll just click in. And you can get to the test bank one of two ways. If you're building out a test and you want it to live in Connect, you click Add Assignment, Question Bank, and this is where you'll also build out other question banks. So you'll see each chapter's question bank. These would be more for quizzes and assignments, but here is where the test bank lives. So you'll click Test Bank and you'll see all of the different chapters. So we can go into any of them. And see for chapter 10, there are 160 questions. You can filter if you know you only want to select multiple choice or true false. You'll just click those two and then filter results and see it goes down to 132. Another way to access the test bank, if you want to look at them in an actual Word document, is go to Library, Instructor Resources, and you'll see it opens a separate tab. This is where you'll find all of your instructor resources, PowerPoints, instructor's manual, and this is where the test bank lives as well. Sorry for this pop-up. You can download these files so you have the test bank files on your computer to review. So just keep in mind that that is an option. Any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Like I said, here is not only where you create test questions, but also just any quizzes or assignments. So I know you said you were going to be setting up a library of assignments, so you can also hop into, chapter 3. You'll see 30 different questions, and here are the question types. You can even dive into the learning objectives to really filter what you're looking for exactly. So please let me know if you have any questions when kind of reviewing this information, and I'm here to help.